Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to be unboxing a Pascal watch. This is going to be the Timeless Classic model. This is going to be their diamond watch for men. So we have the 36mm model right here that has actual lab-grown diamonds, so real diamonds that you can get for a fraction of the price. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to this particular model. And I would definitely recommend to go and check out their brand because for what they offer, I would say that they have an unbeatable price. When it comes to their packaging, they pack all of their watches, ring watches, men's and women's watches in these green boxes with the Pascal design. And here we have their motto, which is going to be crafting diamonds for the shiniest moments. Something really cool. And here inside we are going to find the exact booklet for your watch on how to, let's say, adjust your bracelet in case you need that, because this is going to come with a bracelet. And here we have, I believe, the warranty card maybe. Let's see as well. So we have a nice written letter from them. Also the do's and don'ts, and also a little bit about the brand. So they actually give you a 60-day return and a 2-year warranty, and they also give you certified 100% lab-grown diamonds, so real diamonds. Inside the main box we're going to find the box of the watch. So we have the main box, we have the outer cardboard box, and then we also have the cardboard box that they ship the watches in, so a lot of protection. And here is going to be the watch. So this is their 36mm Pascal classic design with the diamonds. We have this brown dial, this chocolate design, and as you can see we have here once again the Pascal logo. Inside the box we are also going to find a screwdriver that can be used in order to adjust the bracelet. This is something really cool that I see very few brands that are going to include that within their price. Here we have the international warranty, once again signed by Pascal, and here we have a booklet that is going to tell you everything that we need to know about their watches. So something really cool. So as you can see, you get a lot of packaging, attention to detail when it comes to their watches. Here we are going to have the buckle with the very simple release system, and now we're going to gently unwrap it. We also have the small arrow that shows me the exact direction that I need to go in order to unveil it. So as you can see, this is going to be a very nice, I would say, Jubilee style bracelet. We also have a small protection foil right here at the logo, so that is something really cool. So here we have Pascal. And now let's see the beautiful face of the watch. And this is how the watch looks. Very blingy, very nice colors, very nice combination. I really like the matching dial with the bezel and with these inner links that are, let's say, in contrast with the silver tone on the outside. So far a really nice, let's say, unboxing experience. This is going to be a great gift, especially once again since it has real diamonds for the price. Now let's discuss a little bit about the information about these watches. So obviously they are going to be powered by a quartz movement, as you can see. This is going to be the 36mm model, but you also have the option for the 31mm, and the difference is also going to be when it comes to the diamonds. So the 31mm model is going to have 0.132 carats, and the 36mm, which is going to be this one, has 0.154 carats. So this is maybe more than most rings out there. So this is going to be really impressive in my opinion, that you get real diamonds for a fraction of the price, and also a very, let's say, beautiful design, very elegant, very blingy for the budget. When it comes to the movement, they're going to use the Swiss Ronda 7 6-3 quartz movement. This is going to ensure a good accuracy, so you have a Swiss movement, and the fact that it is quartz is going to be very reliable in terms of accuracy. As you can see, there is no date complication, so we have the time only, and we have the diamonds for the hour markers. The case thickness is going to be 11.5, which I believe is quite decent, and also we have a water resistance of 100 meters, and that is because we have the screw down back, which is something really cool. Another very important thing that I forgot to mention is the fact that they have a screw down crown. So this is going to ensure that 100 meters of water resistance. So now I have unscrewed the watch crown. As you can see, the watch is still ticking, and now I'm going to pull the crown to the last position in order to adjust the time. As you can see, the movement also has a hacking, so the seconds hand has stopped, and now I'm going to push it back in. The watch is going to start ticking, and in order to screw it back in, I'm going to also screw down the crown. So guys, really cool. I really like the fact that it has 100 meters of water resistance, so you can actually get inside the pool with it. I'm also maybe going to make a quick test with that and post it right here, guys, on the channel. Another really important factor when it comes to deciding whether to buy this watch or not, and in my opinion, something, let's say, very rare for this budget, is going to be the fact that they have a sapphire crystal. So that is something really nice. This means that your watch crystal is going to be, let's say, very hard to scratch, and we have this folding clasp which is going to have the push button, something really easy to use. In terms of resizes, they recommend it in between 6.5 inches and 9.5 inches. I believe that around 140 millimeters up to 215 millimeters. I'm going to leave all the details on the screen. And also when it comes to the weight, this particular model is going to weigh 135 grams, whereas the 31 millimeters is going to be under 100, and it is going to weigh 86. I really like this chocolate dial. I really like the how it looks, and I believe that it is going to be very beautiful on the wrist. Let's also throw it a little. I'm also going to adjust it, maybe even make a full tutorial on how to do this, since they actually provide you with the screwdriver in order to do so. Once again, something really nice. So guys, this is how the watch looks on the wrist. As you can see, a very sporty, elegant, luxurious design that they went for. And something that I really like about Pascal is that they make a lot of new designs almost every year. So I have seen this brand around for quite some time. They sent us a watch previously, and now they have a ton of various other models, and we also have 2 more watches that we are going to unbox right here. So we have also their ring watch, which I'm really curious about, and I'm going to leave links to those videos as well as to these watches. This is how the screw down back looks, and as you can see, we also see that they have this bigger, let's say, link to their bracelet that is going to integrate very nicely in between the locks. So really nice attention to detail. I really like how the bracelet looks and feels, and here we can see that we have the screws, the tiny screws that we can use the screwdriver in order to remove them. Let's also give it a try right now, since we have to check everything. So as you can see, very easy to remove. The screw came off right here. So I need to remove the screw from here, and let's say I want to remove a few links from one side and a few links from the other side. I might even make, as I mentioned, a full tutorial on how to do this, because there might be some of you that are going to do this for the first time, and you can take the extra links and place them inside their watch box. So guys, this is going to be a very beautiful piece. Lab-grown diamonds, so real diamonds. Then we have the sapphire crystal, 100 meters of water resistance, a very nice and popular design. As you can see, the packaging is incredible for the budget. They even include the screwdriver so that you can adjust the bracelet by yourself. This way you won't need to spend some money on professional or other watch tools in order to do this. So guys, once again, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to this particular model, and in my opinion, you should definitely go and check it out. Once again, guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really means a lot. I post a lot of videos about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, watch reviews, and watch unboxing videos, just like this one. I'm also going to post 2 more videos with 2 other watches that they sent to us, including a ring watch, which is going to be something really cool because this is the first time that I'm going to, let's say, unbox one of these, and I'm going to share with you my thoughts, especially since Casio released their Casio watch ring, so something really cool. Once again, guys, subscribe, check the link in the description box below to this particular model, and in case you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below if you own a Pascal watch, if you have any experience with them. I would really like to hear your thoughts out, and make sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you guys in the next video.